Welcome to Alford Ranchette Estates. This is a rural community located in central Texas where the sunrises are pristine and the sunsets are breathtaking. This lot features county road frontage and it has water and electric available. I think you're going to love it. This land tract for sale in central Texas is approximately 12 acres and it's located in Gatesville, Texas. Gatesville is known as the Spur Capital of Texas and it's considered the gateway to the Texas Hill Country. It has gently rolling terrain and elevation changes that reach up to 1,100 feet. The acreage has spectacular countryside views that are breathtaking at sunrise or sunset. The property also has paved county road frontage and water and electric are already available. Build your forever home or use it as a place to just get away from the hustle bustle and forget about life for a while. Hi, I'm Kim Hill. I'm the owner and broker of United Country Hill Country Pros. I believe that land is the best investment that you could ever make. Every one of my agents is passionate about land as well, and they're very qualified to walk you through a land transaction. We all own land and we're passionate about the land and being stewards of it. Give us a call and we'll set up a private tour for this property or any other one that we can help you with.